Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sa video ito, yung topic natin is special products. So ipapakita ko dito kung paano natin makuha yung mga formula para sa ating special products. Okay, for number 1, ito yung tinatawag nating square of a binomial. Okay, so solve natin siya. So kasi squared siya, so i-multiply natin siya ng dalawang beses by itself. So ito na yan, vertical method tayo. A times B is AB, A times A is A squared, then B times B is B squared, B times A is AB, then add lang natin yan, bring down lang to, AB plus AB is 2AB, then bring down lang natin yung B squared. So ito na yung result ng ating square of a binomial. Now ito na yung gagamitin nating formula. Okay? Meaning, pag merong square of a binomial, hindi na tayo mag-vertical method. Diretso na nating gagamitin tong formula. So, i-square lang natin yung first term. Multiply natin yung dalawa, 10 times 2. Then, i-square natin yung second term. Okay. So, apply natin to dito sa ating example number 2. So, again, yung formula, i-square natin yung first term. I-squared. Then, plus 2 times, multiply natin yung dalawang terms natin. A times negative B. So, makikita nyo dito, yung second term natin is negative B na siya, okay? So, ikakopy mo lagi yung sign dito para hindi magkamali, okay? Then, square natin ulit yung square natin yung second term. Again, negative siya. Quantity negative B squared. Then, simplify lang natin yan. A squared. Then, 2 times A times negative B is negative 2AB. So, magiging negative na siya kasi may negative dito. Then, quantity B squared is positive B squared. Okay? Positive siya kasi in-square natin. Okay, nakita nyo, in-apply natin yung formula ng square of a binomial. Hindi na tayo nag-vertical method, okay? Mas mabilis na siya. Then, for number 3, ito naman yung sum and difference of two binomials. Okay, nakikita nyo dito. Same yung first term nila. Same din yung second term. Nagkaiba lang sila dito sa sign. Plus and minus. Okay, kaya siya tinawag na sum and difference of two binomials. So, isolve natin to. Vertical method again. A times B is AB. A times A is A squared. Then, negative B times B is negative B squared. Negative B times A is negative AB. Then, add lang natin ulit. Bring down lang to. AB plus negative AB is 0. Then, negative B squared, bring down lang. So, ito na lang yung matitira. A squared minus B squared. So, ito lang yung kanyang formula. So, ito actually yung pinakamadali, no? So, pag sum and difference, ganito lang. I-square mo lang yung first term. Then, subtract mo lang sa square ng second term. Okay? So, ganun lang. Always siyang minus. Okay? Pag sum and difference, always siyang minus. Then, for number 4, yung ating cube o binomial. So, cube naman to. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Kasi cube siya. I-multiply natin siya ng 3 beses by itself. Kasi cube. Now, hindi natin to diretsong masosolve. So, unahin muna natin itong dalawa. A plus B times A plus B. Yan, nasolve na natin to kanina. So, diretso na lang natin. So, ito na yung result niya. Then, i-multiply ulit natin tong A plus B. So, vertical method again. A times B squared is AB squared. A times 2AB is 2A squared B. Then, A times A squared is A cubed. Okay. Loss of exponent lang yan. Then, B times B squared is B cubed. B times 2AB is 2AB squared. B times A squared is A squared B. Then, add lang natin yung mga similar terms. 2A squared B plus A squared B is 3A squared B. AB squared plus 2AB squared is 3AB squared. Then, bring down lang yung B cube. So, ito na yung result ng ating cube of a binomial. So, ito na yung magiging formula natin. Okay? So, ganito lang. I-cube lang natin yung first term. Then, for the second term, 3 times, i-square natin yung first term, then times the second term B. Then again, plus 3 again, first term times square root of the second term. And lastly, cube ng ating second term. Okay. So kung nahirapan kayong i-memorize to, kasi medyo mahaba siya. So ganito lang yan, no? So yung first term and last term natin, yung pinakamadaling tandaan, no? I-cube mo lang kasi cube siya. Okay? A cube, B cube. Then yung middle term natin dyan, so may constant siya laging 3. So 3 siya kasi cube. Okay, madaling ma-memorize, 3. Then, itong dalawa, ganito lang yan. Yung first term natin, descending yung kanyang exponent. So, a cube, a squared, a, then wala ng a. Okay? So, ganun lang yung tatandaan mo dyan. 3, 2, 1. Then, ito namang b natin, yung second term natin, ascending naman yung kanyang exponent. So, b to the 1, b to the 2, then b to the 3. Okay? Ganun lang yon para madali nyo siyang ma-memorize. Okay? Then, for number 5, i-apply natin dito yung, sa number 5, i-apply natin yung formula ng cube of a binomial. Wait na. So, first, i-cube natin yung first term. So, first term natin dito is a cube. Then, plus 3 times, i-square natin yung first term, then times yung second term. So, again, yung second term natin dito is negative b. So, i-copy mo dapat yung sign. Huwag niyong kalimutan para hindi magkamali. Then, next term natin, again, times 3. So, e na lang siya dito. Kasi, descending dapat yung exponent niya, 3, 2, 1. Yung second term natin is, magiging squared na siya kasi 1, 2. Then, yung final is 3 na yung exponent ng ating second term. And, copy nyo lagi yung sign. Then, simplify lang natin. A cube. 3a squared times negative b is magiging negative 3a squared b. Then, 3 times a times the quantity negative b squared is magiging plus 3ab squared na siya. So, itong negative b natin, dahil in-squared siya, so magiging positive lang siya. Okay? Then, ito naman, so pag yung negative number kinube naman natin, yung result niya is always negative. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. Pag cube, negative. Pag squared, positive. Okay? So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, ginamit lang natin yung formula ng cube of a binomial. Then, lastly, yung ating square of a trinomial. Okay, mahaba pa to. So, yung gagawin natin dito, para ma-solve natin siya. So, igugrupo natin tong a plus b. Okay, gagawin natin siya na isa lang. Then, i-apply natin yung square of a binomial. So, paano natin yun i-apply? So, itong a plus b, ito yung magiging a natin. Din itong c yung magiging b naman. So, para na siyang binomial. Okay? I-apply lang natin to. So, squared ng ating first term. So, yung a natin dito, ito yung first term natin is a plus b. So, i-squared natin siya. Okay, ito yun. A squared. A squared. Yung a. Then, plus 2ab. Plus 2. Yung a natin, a plus b. Yung b natin is yung c. So, binaliktad lang dito. Pero same lang naman yan, no? Okay, so, minultiply natin yung 2 term. Then, plus b squared. Yung second term natin. Ni-square natin. So, c siya. So, c squared. Okay? Yun lang yun. In-apply lang natin to. Then, simplify natin. Alam na natin to. Square of a binomial to. So, same lang siya dito, a plus b. So, copy lang natin yung formula. Then, distribute lang natin to. 2c times a is 2ac. 2c times b is 2bc. Then, copy lang yung c squared. Then, i-rearrange lang natin para madaling matandaan. So, ito na yung formula ng ating square of a trinomial. Okay? So, ganito lang yan. I-square natin silang lahat, yung tatlo. A squared plus b squared plus c squared. Then, i-multiply lang natin sila. Okay? By pares-pares, okay? AB, AC, and BC. Then, i-multiply natin sila by 2 lahat. So, yun lang yung formula ng square of a trinomial. Okay? Sana natuto kayo dito. And kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.